Hello, this is Devraj from Shure, and in this video I'm going to give you an overview of the stem ceiling microphone, which is part of the new stem ecosystem. Right now you're hearing me through the stem ceiling, which is installed up on the ceiling in this room, and about some key characteristics of this microphones. First would be how it can be installed. There are two ways that the stem ceiling can be installed. One is a chandelier mode, which is hung from the ceiling using a braided cable, or it can be installed using a 2x2 bracket, which allows it to be installed flush with the ceilings like the one that I have here, which is a 2x2 grid ceiling. And in terms of interfaces, it has two interfaces, one is the Ethernet interface, which is giving it power using a PoE source. It can be a PoE switch or a PoE injector, and that's the same interface which is also used to send out audio over the network from the ceiling microphone. You can take direct out from the ceiling microphone using the USB interface, which can be connected to a PC. It has 100 array microphones, which allows it to capture in different ways, in different beamforms, whether it is narrow, medium, or wide. And it also has one good feature of audio fence, which allows you to control pickup from one particular region. And that's something I'm going to show you in this demonstration. So right now the fence is off, and you're hearing me with the fence off. I'm going to enable it and then walk outside the fence to see its effect. So I'm going to enable the fence now. The fence is now enabled, and you're hearing me in the fence, and I'm going to walk out of the fence while I'm speaking. I will try to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm outside the fence now. Then I walk back to the fence, and this is me coming back into the fence with the audio fence enabled. But that was the stem ceiling with the audio fence feature as well. Hope you liked it. For more information, please log on to www.shure.com/en-in. Thank you.